Shopify POS, what it is and how to use it. Shopify, an e-commerce platform that lets users create and manage online stores to sell their products, is something you've probably heard. What is Shopify POS and how does it work? Shopify POS, which is a point-of-sale system, allows you to use Shopify accounts to sell in person. Learn more about Shopify POS and how it can help your business. How does Shopify POS work? Shopify POS allows you to download an app onto your iOS or Android phone. Once the app is installed, you can add products to the app and make payments. A Shopify POS hardware kit can be connected to physical stores. It includes a receipt printer, barcode scanner, and cash drawer. Shopify POS can be integrated with your existing Shopify account. This allows you to sync all your inventory in real time, so that you are always up to date on what's in stock, no matter if you're selling online. Shopify POS automatically adds all orders to your Shopify account, so that everything can be viewed in one place. What are the advantages of Shopify POS? Shopify POS can be used for many reasons. It makes selling in person much easier and more efficient. You don't need to keep track of inventory for your brick-and-mortar stores separately. Everything is done in one place. For more information, please click the link. Shopify POS offers another advantage. You can sell anywhere. Shopify POS can be used anywhere, so long as you have the app installed on your smartphone or tablet. Shopify's platform makes it easy to transition to a physical store if you ever decide that you want one. Shopify POS, a point-of-sale system that is easy to use and seamlessly integrates with your Shopify account, is the best choice. The app allows you to sell in person without any hassle, while also giving you the ability to do it from any device. All of your inventory is automatically synchronized between your offline and online stores, so you don't have any worries about underselling or overselling. Are you ready to give it another try? Click the button below to request a personal demonstration.